The last time this big change from a portfolio perspective happened is probably more than 30 years ago. So we are in a unique position to make something that really has an impact for the future.
This is an electrical substation. It's the hub of our system that interconnects transmission lines. This is a 345 kV substation. Hitachi Energy provides the circuit breakers installed in the substation.
A circuit breaker is a component in the electrical grid, which is the main component to turn on and off a line. It's also a protection device to protect other equipment in the substation.
Owned and operated by Eversource, this represents a new era of circuit breakers that will help us reduce SF₆ from the grid.
The challenge to find an alternative to SF₆ gas has been a challenge for many years. From a technical perspective, SF₆ is a gas that is great both at insulating for high voltage. The drawback of SF₆ gas is that it's a very potent greenhouse gas.
We'd like to eliminate SF₆ because it has harmful impacts to the environment and is roughly 24,000 times more dangerous than CO₂ equivalent. Eversource decided we were going to lead the way. The EconiQ breaker is more sustainable as it provides a SF₆-free solution. In a few seconds, we'll see the first EconiQ 345 kV dead tank non-SF₆ breaker energized for the first time. This represents a new era of circuit breakers that will help us reduce SF₆ from the grid. When we first went down this path, we didn't know what to expect, but the EconiQ was a simple solution for us. We were able to fit it in the existing space, and it's had no impacts to our design, maintenance, or operational standards or practices.
We want to imagine a world where we become fully carbon neutral. And moving towards non-SF₆ solution, we are helping to make this happen.
It's great to be part of industry-leading changes like installation of the EconiQ.
Seeing the product at the substation energized and working according to plan shows that we make something happen that will be there for a long time. For me, that's a great feeling to really make something that is real, robust, and makes a difference.